Good morning, students. Today I am going to take a sum which is based on the limits, and in that sum we are going to use two concepts. That is this one that you said, that is square bracket, which is also said to be the greatest integer function. And one more thing we are going to study in this question is that sandwich theorem. Okay, so this question is based on the three property that you can say the limits, and that is the greatest integer function, and in between we are going to study one theorem, that is the sandwich theorem. So let us study this one. Before starting this sum, let me tell you about the greatest integer function. That is, this sign is said to be the GIF, which is the greatest integer function. Okay, now you know that every number having some fractional part plus integral part plus fractional part. Okay, so this is the number and this is said to be the integral part, and this is the fractional part. This sign denote for the integral part. And this one for fractional part. Okay, now let me tell you, for example, this is x, this is also x, means suppose I am taking 3.98. so this is my number. So what is the integral part of this one is? This is supposed to be the integral part, and this is your fractional part. So whatever the integral part is there, that is said to be the greatest integer function, or you can say that GIF. Okay, so how will get the GIF? You can get the GIF like this. That is, when you are subtracting the fractional part from the given number, you will get your integral part. Okay, so let us start with the question. Our question is x integral part of 1 upon x plus 2 upon x and so on up to 15 upon x. So let us start. Limit x tends to 0 x. Now how to convert this integral part in this form? Let us continue in this form. Okay, so my 1 upon x will be like this: 1 upon x minus integral part of x plus 2 upon x minus 2 upon x plus so on, and last let me take 15 upon x minus fractional part of 15 upon x. Okay, you can see it like this. Okay, now let me take separate. Limit x tends to 0 x 1 upon x plus 2 upon x plus 3 upon x dash 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 up to 15 upon x. Okay, similarly I will take this part, fractional part, and take this x so that I can multiply over here. That is, x minus sign is also common, minus minus minus, so you take the minus sign common. What will be remain in the bracket? 1 upon x fractional part plus 2 upon x plus 3 upon x and so on. Last one is 15 upon x. Okay, now let us solve this one. Taking 1 upon x common from all these terms, that is x upon x, I will get here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dash 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 15. I will solve this part later on. I will take, first of all, let me solve this one. Let me keep it as it is. because there is some description about this one, so I will tell you. First let me solve this one. Now you know that the sum of the natural number, what is the sum of all the natural number? You should have, now there is no limit because all are the constants, so limit will not be applied over here. So 1 2 3 4 5, you know that the sum of the natural number, consecutive natural number, is n plus 1 upon 2, where my n is equal to 15. So let me write here 15 plus 1 upon 2. So 15 into 16 upon 2, 15 into 8, which is equal to 120 degree. ठीक है, 120, sorry, not degree. Now come here. Now see, this is a fractional part. You can see by taking the example, your fractional part never cross the 1. So what is the limit for the fractional part? That is, the bond for the fractional part is 0 is less than or equal to x, and x is strictly less than 1. That is, it should be the closed on the 0 and open on the 1, because 0 can be included in fractional part, but it should be always less than the 1. Now we have to bring in this form. So what I am going to do? First of all, let me write whatever the term we do have, that is less than 1. Now I need x, so I am multiplying both the side by x. 0 into x is less than or equal to 1 upon x into x, and 1 is multiplied by x. So what you are getting here, 0 is less than or equal to x, 1 by x, less than x. Now you apply the limit over here. Sorry. Now limit x tends to 0. This 0 will remain. This 0 and this 0. 0 is less than or equal to x. 1 upon x is less than 0. Why I am not putting the 0 over here? Of course we can put, but I want to show this is the sandwich 0, because 0 is less than 0 and 0 is, this number is less than 0. It means this is a sandwich between the two 0. So its value will be the 0 only. Its value is 0. So let me explain it once more. See, this part you know very well. X get cancelled with the x, so we don't have the any variable over here. This is term only the constant, so we can't apply the limit. We just solve the algebraic. That is, sum of the natural number is n plus 1 upon 2, where n is equal to 15. So I got the answer 120 over here. Now my remaining fractional part is there, that is x, 1 upon x, 2 upon x, and up to this one. Now we should have to know that always our fractional part, I told you here 3.98. Let me take one more example, 4.16. So I can split it like this. This is my greatest integer function and this is my fractional part. So you can again see this part is not crossing the 1. So my bond for the fractional part is that 0 is less than or equal to x, x is less than 1. That is, this is for closed bracket on closed on a 0 and open on a 1. So let me bring in this form. So I am multiplying 0, 1 upon x is less than 1. Now multiplying both the side by x, because I want this type, x into x into x. So x 0 is less than x. So when I am applying the limit over here, what I am getting, that this is also 0 and this is my term and this is 0. So this is my given term is sandwich between the 0. This is also said to be the sandwich theorem, or you can say the king theorem also. So what will be the value of this one? Its value is automatically 0 only. So my final answer will be 120 minus 0, which is equal to 120. So what is my option? My option is the D option is my answer. I hope you understand this, student. Make a watch on it. take a look at. Okay, thanks, bye, take care.